with 1991 Ford Mustang. I bought it for my dad when he had cancer. He did a 302 swap from a 4-cylinder, carbureted, MSD. Pretty simple setup. Roush heads. When I got it, I bought it from him. I put a new radiator in. Some new ceramic shorty headers. And a Lunati cam. Of course, right after I did that, the engine blew up. Threw a rod out of the side of the block. You can see here. It's actually a pretty nice car. But that began my search for a new engine. I got one out of a 93 F-150. Very dirty. Just disgusting. Full of sludge. The engine was filthy, so I cleaned it up with some oven cleaner. Make sure to get the heavy duty one. Got it all as clean as I could. No machining. I didn't have money and there's no machine shops by me, so I did all the machining by hand. I cleaned the pistons with the wire wheel. I reused as much as possible. For the crankshaft, I polished it by hand with shoelace and some sandpaper. Turned out really good. Really smooth. So you can see here, turning over by hand. Really smooth. Running good. The clearances were actually really good with no machining or anything. I was really surprised. Went ahead, installed the pistons, put a hone on it, a little bit wide ring gap, but again, no machining, so it's as close as I get. Might blow a little smoke, but it'll work for what I need. So I went ahead, started assembling it, put all the pistons in, the rods, and I put the heads on. It has Roush World Product heads, cast iron. Just kept assembling it, put the oil pump on, the pickup tube, and we started getting it ready for paint after I put on the front accessories. We got it all clean. It doesn't look like it, but it's as clean as I get it. And here we go. Pretty much a finished product here. Ford Blue. Should work. If the engine blows, I'll just go get another one for $300 from the junkyard. No big deal. And do it again. It's all just a learning experience for me here. That was my main point, was to get more familiar and learn more about engines, and I did it. So here's the first start with some starting fluid. Had a lot of issues getting the ignition working. And then here's the first steady run. I still have to adjust the valves again. A lot of tuning. I have to set the timing. But this is where I'm at now, and I'm just gonna slowly keep working on it and see where we can take it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, it was all about $500, $300 for the block, and about another $150 or so for parts.